Uh, uh, uh. I'm live. Yay. Yay, guys. I'm like live and stuff. What's up? Alright. Got some stuff to do. Alright. Alright. Let's see. Nobody's on live yet. Alright. Okay. Alright. Yay! There's 2 views. 2 people viewed so far. Yes, sir. Alright. I'm about to like actually lock in. Well, kind of. Let me just sign into something real quick. Alright, awesome. Alright. I need to rewrite some things. I need to start writing some more things. Alright. I might open up a separate tab, because why not? Bro, I fell off so hard, player. I fell off so hard. Nobody likes my stuff. I might get some music in here. I don't know what to put in. I might have to skip through some stuff because my mixes sometimes come in with copyrighted music. Minecraft's not copyrighted though, so I'm gonna put Minecraft stuff up. I like Minecraft. It's just I gotta skip through that Kane Parsons thing. There you go. Alright. I'll put the music in this tab. Oh, 3 people. Hello, everybody. I'm coding the big nermal. Alright. Alright. So... yeah, so there's a couple things I gotta do. Alright, it's just turning this into a for loop. Now... yeah. No! Alright, perfect. 20 years from now, people will say stuff like, isn't that the guy who got the billboard? Where's my raise? Bro, your raise will never come, player. You will never get a raise. I don't trust you enough. I do not trust you at all. You ain't getting no money from me. Not a dime. Not a dollar, not a quarter. Also, hello guys. Welcome. Alright. There's nothing to leak here, because there's no new content that I gotta add. It's more so just me editing my bad code. Or like, code that I just have a problem with. So that's mostly what I'm gonna be doing right now. I might also redo the title state. It's gonna sound crazy, but I might just redo the whole damn thing. So we'll see what to do here. Alright. First things first, I gotta open up the big nermal. I use a debug build. It's one of the new action builds that's on Codedimension's GitHub. So, let me... okay, good. I'm gonna turn off the Minecraft for now. Alright. I might edit some stuff in free play. Let's check that out. Alright, so let's do some free play song list.txt. I might also put some recode stuff here too. Alright, cool, perfect. That's perfect. Alright. Awesome. Player, I don't want to... Alright, I'm gonna put on the music. There you go. Player, you're gonna die someday. Nobody's gonna know who you are. Okay. This right here, I'm just gonna kill. And so now, because it's in a song list, it should load my songs up correctly. I think the offset bug is still a thing. Sigh! Alright. Where's the background? So it's not even loading my video in. Okay. Bro. Is it 'cause of the... That's dumb shader code. Oh. Hold on, let me see. Oh, so it's outdated shader code. I wonder if I just turn off the shader. Yeah, the shader's bugged. Okay, now I know. Ah, I froze it. Ya done did it, Will. You done did it. Alright, cool. Okay, so video.visible. No! Bro, oh my gosh. I need to stop pressing that twice. I need to, like, actually be patient with my code. Okay, so... the VCR shader is bugged. And that's why nothing's showing on screen. Like, not even the text, not even the icon. The shader itself is bugged, so... that's really fun. Let's go steal a VCR shader. VCR... VCR distortion. I might just try and see what the bug is. So they updated the shader stuff in codename then. Undeclared identifier. Which means some of the... Okay, so it's a codename engine issue. And this would mean that some of the shaders in the, this would mean that... Let's make a little of the vibe coding. Alright. Who is this guy? Wait, I think I've seen this guy before. Wait, nope. I'm not adding them as a moderator. Oh, alright. Never mind. I thought you were somebody I used to know in real life. Alright. So... Open a felt frag color. Gotta close out some chats on Discord before opening it. Alright. Bro, why are we talking about Minecraft shaders? That's really fun. That's really fun. I was able to get it to work last time. Do I have to downgrade to another action build? Okay, so I think I got this one. What commit number is this? I might disable mods. I need to know what commit number this is. Oh, I should put that in destroy. No. Whole PC's tweaking. I almost leaked something. 333B1B. BB1B or something. Yeah, that one. I can't use that one. Let's... Is there something that has to do with shaders? DLL for debug. That's... I might just get this one. Where's my debug? But I also need the right VLC stuff. Whatever. Let's downgrade, folks! That's real fun. Bro, your mom is not homeless, Blair. Your mom has a house. She probably lives with you or something. I wouldn't know that for sure, but that's my, like, estimated guess. Alright, cool. And then... Oh, that's leaks. That's leaks. That's leaks. I might unlist the VOD. Whatever. It's fine for now. Someone use Blue Sky today? No. I don't use Blue Sky. I'm not very active in it. I should try and start posting a little more on Blue Sky, but I'm just not interested. Also, player, I'm not taking your tongue. You can stop asking that kind of stuff. Okay, so... I wonder if it's just me having to get a new shader, or have somebody write the shader for me, because I don't know GLSL. Shader languages support for VS Code. Okay, so it's just a VS Code extension. Alright, perfect. Trust publisher. I will read frag files. Bro. What if I do... Oh, I'm stupid. Nope. Oh, whatever. I don't care. I don't care. I don't care. Alright, what I care about is getting this working, because I don't know why it's not working anymore. I need to know why my VCR stuff stopped working. I low-key should not have, like, tried to copy the asset folder. What am I doing? Oh, next song I gotta skip because that's copyrighted. Yeah, I'm too nervous. I'm just gonna skip to the next C418 song. Why am I trying to copy the entire asset folder? What is wrong with me? Hold on. I'm like, yeah, I'm almost, okay, it's getting the plugins. That's good. You know, hold on, I should probably post this live in Afrosville. I need more viewers. I need more viewers. Alright. Now. Oh no, bro, your computer has virus, bro. Oh no, bro. This is so tough and scary. Bro. Oh, thank God. Okay. shader is just right there. Damn it. Yeah, figured. How far do I gotta downgrade? This is actually, like, annoying. But I also need one of these builds for hymns, Apollo Nest. So, let's see. I think I'll do something Evil is Brewing. This one. I think it's this one. But, no, this one. You could do this one. I'm just gonna get the executable only, because I'm not trying to do this over and over and over again. What the hell? Okay. Alright. And let me just swap the builds real quick. Can you play this? Is it possible to softcode in Codename Engine? Yes, all of this is mod folder. All of this is in mod folder. Yeah. Can you play the Cyclops episode 1? No. I don't know what that is. So I'm not gonna play it. Yeah, so Codename Engine is like it's my favorite engine because of like how easy it is to like mess around with the mod folder. And thank God base game is going in like this exact direction. Like if you've seen some of the tweets about base game, yeah. If you've seen some of the tweets about base game, you'll know that they're like they're found a way for anybody to extend a class in HScript, like any single class, which is kind of crazy. So it's like kind of revolutionary. Are you kidding me? Wait. Bro, what happened to my shader? It was working, like, on previous builds, but now it doesn't. That's gay. Oh my gosh. Oh, I think I've seen that. Like, I think I've seen that Speed did get a revival. Yeah, like speed.gif. I think I actually seen that. I want to play it myself, because I actually did like speed.gif when I first saw it, but like, it's probably like the most outdated thing in the world. Also, what the hell? I'm really hating like the constant change that's happening to the shaders, because I can't get my TV effect working, and that's pissing me off. I should probably just edit this on like the actual nermal build, like the .exe, but that's not compiled in dash debug, and I don't want to have to compile it again, so womp womp. Or I just remembered we have a pinned link in the dev server for an action build. There it is. I found it. I just don't want to have to .exe swap. Whatever. God damn. Alright. How do I handle this? Because this is a big issue. I might have to preload that sound. Like, bro. But I don't want to make the same mistake that, what's its space? The new Aethos Survival did. I don't want to make the exact same mistake, because that's like... That was absolutely ridiculous. How on earth do you hit 3 gigabytes on Codename Engine? I don't think I'll be able to figure this this memory issue out. I might just trace song list. No, is it song list? Yeah, songs per Bro, get my thing up here. Alright, bro. .name. You know what? Hold on. There we go. I love this extension so much. I'm one of the programmers for it. Yeah. Okay, so I'm on nermal, XD, abuse, so it puts my songs in order. It's just, the video's not showing because there's a bug with the shaders. And I do not know how to fix it, so I'm probably just gonna skip out on that right now. But what I'm instead gonna do is rewrite some code. Alright. We are going to... Let's see what I could do. I'm gonna go in the chart editor. I'm gonna work on an event. So I'm redoing the character change script. We originally had a script that we got from Codename Engine's Discord server. And because I want to reduce the amount of, quote, stolen code, which it's not really stolen when we already had credited them, I'm rewriting it myself. I kind of did this while working on a different mod. I work on another mod called Hymns of Hollownest. Surprisingly, it is still a thing. It's technically canceled, but we're essentially working on like a final release demo, final release build type of thing, to which I would argue it's still alive. Also, what the hell, codename? Alright, turning off the Minecraft for now. Alright, so what we got going on here, right? Instead of just having one character on the strum line, we actually have two. The top character is the one showing. And so what the event does is actually turns the top one invisible, and it turns the other one visible. It depends on who you want visible or not, and you can do it for the player or the dad. But one thing I really want to do... Where is the character change? I think it's right here. Yeah, character change, BF scratch. And then this one, nermal, actually changes. Yes, so nermal changes. Yeah, I work on the Hollow Knight mod. I like just recently got on there. I think the last programmer had left, and Avenge hit me up. He was like, "Hey, bro, you want to work on this?" And I said, "Yeah, sure." And yeah, I've been working really hard on it. I can't show anything right now because we actually have some new stuff in the game, so I can't. But yeah, it's actually in the mod in like one of the mod folders I have in here in this codename build, which is kind of crazy. But yeah, I am very, very, very happy I got onto it. Like the songs are freaking bangers. I'd say I know this is gonna be controversial coming from a dev, but I'd say they're better than Nermal's OST. Oh, so we're gonna freeze on me. Okay. Also, what is with the continuous FPS drop on the chart editor? Like, it should not lag this much. It cannot be with the amount of events we have, because they're literally just like simple data values. Alright, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna figure out... I might look at the other script just as reference, but I might figure out how to detect different strum lines. So let's get the character change thing here. And no, actually, I'm gonna make a new event. Change character checks change character to JS1 params and alright, Minecraft music back up if you guys wanted it again. Stupid international keyboard. New character. Actually, no, this is gonna be Strumline. Hold on a second. I gotta like mute. Yeah, so my sister just popped up. To use type. I wonder if I can do an integer. I'm gonna open up that character change script from a different mod folder. This is a good mod folder to open. Put that hole right there. Oh! There's already a thing here. Default value 0. Okay, so I can get the strumline value, which is very good. So I'm gonna pull this. No, I already have that one up. So we can do right. Let me see. The most complicated thing I coded so far was a semi-functional event that triggered a countdown where you had to press space when it was 0, you get shot. Scop, what are you doing in here?
What?
What's up, Scop?
Hi.
You're on stream, by the way. You're like live on YouTube, right? We're live on YouTube right now. I'm coding nermal.
Yep. Hi, guys.
Yeah, so Scop works on the mod. Scop did the Game Over theme, and they're gonna work on some other songs. It's just Overlay hasn't
I do
given them
things
jack
nobody gives a fuck about.
Yes, bro.
Aren't you guys proud of me?
Scop is like toughness. I don't know why your animated icon isn't working. It's whatever. I can figure that out some other time.
I have no idea where my glasses wipes are.
Uh-oh.
I mean, they're not super, like, this bad. I can see, but...
I'm not streaming on Discord because it'll eat up my RAM. That'll
Oh, yeah.
change once I get my new PC. Yes. Update. Oh. Name. Update.
I'm gonna be back even though I just joined.
Alright, bro. Alright, bro. Bro join and immediately has to freaking leave. Wow. Default value true. In format because this looks freaking ugly. Alright. Actually, which character in the Stromline group? I don't even need to care about that. Let's do event param 0. So change character, strum index, member index. Okay, so for strum and strumline stub members, if I equals whatever the strum index is, and then we do run the function. Okay. I could low-key just give me all the code from this file. Change character. I'm gonna change character for I and 0. Or strum line in strum lines dot members for strum in strum line if I is not equals 0. No, I need for character in strumline dot characters if then we can kill these loops.
I'm back.
Hello, Scott.
Oh, you get more viewers than I do.
Wait for real? Oh my gosh, wait, that's so tough. Wait, I get more viewers. Yay!
I should get like 0.
Because you don't promote it in an active dev server.
Yeah, you're right.
Okay, so this is kind of squiggle code, honestly. Like, I could literally just...
Didn't you promote it in the public server?
Yeah, I did. No. This'll change, thank God. Alright. Alright.
So, they brought back Athos?
Dude.
What were you talking about earlier?
Bro, okay, so... So there was like... So you know Sling Mingo?
Yeah.
Freaking pedophile, right? So, Sling Mingo was the original creator of Athos. They're a pedophile. They just made not even 24 hours ago, they just made an Athos Redux mod, right? And they published it on Game Banana, and not even 2 hours later it gets deleted because Sling Mingo was technically ban evading. Because they had gotten banned on Game Banana before, so they got banned for ban evading, and the mod got deleted. And thankfully there was a drive link, so I downloaded the drive, right, and I ran it not on their .exe build, I ran it on my Codename Engine mod folder. I ran it on my Codename Engine build. And these guys were actual demons, alright? So they so they took the frame rate counter, right? The frame rate counter that you see in the top of the screen. They ran it in a post. They ran it in an up. Oh, what the hell? Get Outlook off my screen. Okay, so they ran some code in an update function that, like, for every single frame, it would move the frame rate screen, like, it set the Y value to 1,000,000, so it meant that it would never show the frame rate on the screen, which hid a lot of the bad code that they wrote. So, for starters, the stage file has like 9 or 10 if statements in the post update function, and they're all directed towards one singular sprite.
Oh my.
So, and then there's a lot of other bad programming errors, but that's just one of them, and that's like absolutely atrocious. That's like Yandere dev coding. The mod ran like in Hack's memory 3 gigabytes. 3.5 gigabytes of RAM. And I already know on Task Manager that probably said 5 gigabytes of RAM. And this is Codename Engine. The most, like, this is Codename Engine. This is, like, the most optimized mod. This is the most optimized engine right now. And the mod's running at 3 gigs. Like, if you're making a mod like that, it should at most run about 500 megabytes. At most, 500 megabytes. It should never run over a gigabyte. Task Manager would say stuff like about 2 gigs or whatnot, but that's just Task Manager. I'm talking about hacks, like actual hack stored memory that's in the game engine. That said 3.5 gigabytes of RAM.
Gigabytes.
Yes, bro. And that is an FNF mod running on Codename Engine. That should never, ever happen. That should never happen. Can you tell how insane I'm going?
Yeah.
How on God's green earth is that possible? I'm mind blown at how poorly coded that mod was.
I'm looking at a gameplay video. There's one part that looks like you would have a bit of stuff. All out for a very slightly better version of a song for 2024.
Son,
Oh, I just got 2 goon slaps on the timeline. Okay.
What?
I don't know, dude. I got
Okay. For a second, I thought my brain is like taking a fart. For a second, I thought Mario 64 music was playing. Video froze for a while. That's whatever. My PC sucks. I'm getting a new one soon, so you'll see better quality. Parameters 0. Strumline set members. Event parameters 0. Characters.
Okay, what is it with the fucking image of Morty wearing Gucci?
What are you talking about, bro?
It's Morty wearing Gucci.
Okay, so Strumline set members, event parameters 0. So this would get the strum line. So this is my strum line. Is there an import that I need to do? No? Okay, cool. So this would get my strum line. And I would get my characters by running a for character in strumline.characters. And I have my event set to. So here visible equals pair Oh, by the way, will we ever be able to get the raw files and code for all of old Nermal songs, old Nermal V2? I don't think we're gonna get. I'm probably not gonna release the source code for old Nermal V2. Plus, Overlay would Overlay would not like that. Overlay would not like that. I would love to share that kind of stuff.
Old John.
But oh yeah, the old dude. We are not showing old John. I'm sorry. Old John is actually so ass.
No, Old John was good when I posted it, cause fucking Mello put it in the Discord server, so I had to react.
Mello, honestly, Mello was not cooking with like the first iteration of John. Ezzy John was like where it was at. I remember Ezzy John being really good.
Yeah, that was good.
Yeah, Ezzy John was really good. Like, yeah, it was. Alright. So, character.visible equals char.char equals event parameters 1. I don't even need to make a true false thingy here. Anim. Oh, I gotta do the old character. Oh, okay. Old char equals if old character equals char. Question mark there. Alright. Change health bar. Okay. I'm gonna put default value to false, actually. It'll be better. My code. If event params 2 is not equal null and parameters 2. And then change health bar. I gotta make a new variable for this. Name. Is dad HUD changing? Type cool. Default value true. Yeah, true. Whatever. No, I'm just gonna do this, and then the new character would be Aaron. Yes, bro, I love this song. Yeah, like I have this mix in here. I just gotta skip through the Kane Parsons stuff because I do listen to a lot of the Backrooms OST, and that's copyrighted.
Yeah, Backroom.
So, yeah. We're gonna get rid of this, and let's debug. so I don't lag. Put that up there. You know what I should do? C code name engine.exe. Bro. Oh, CMD. Bro.
What?
Okay, it's doing PowerShell. I don't want it to do PowerShell. There we go. Yes, dude. Okay, perfect. There we go. Yeah, see, that does something cool. I like that. So I can just literally open here and not have a second window on my screen. I wish nermal was released the same way as Ron with source code on GitHub. Nermallin 2026 is a mod folder. Nermallin 2022 is a mod folder. So there's absolutely no need to release this source code anywhere on GitHub because it's already like there in the mod folder. There are 2 events. Change character. BF. Update HUD. Is dad HUD changing? No. Update the HUD. That HUD is changing. Alright, I'm about to test the song, so I'm getting all the stuff off. Unknown variable strum lines. Okay, cool. That's fun. Oh, I put it in lowercase.
3, 2.
Discord RPC. Unknown variable I. Oh. That makes
1,
sense.
3.
And there's another. Wait, no. We gotta format that. There's no I in here, which is good.
2, 3, 2, 1.
What the hell is happening, bro? I might just have to restart the entire song, because what in the world, bro?
3, 2, 1.
I really need to switch to a new action build. The camera offsets are like bugged.
Welcome to the stream.
I was gonna say hello.
What's up, Grom? What's up, man?
Hi.
Let
I
me
was just
see
gonna
if
say
you're
hello.
on OBS. Oh my gosh, you're Herobrine. What the freak?
It's fine. It's fine. Don't worry about my OBS. I'm probably not gonna be here long.
Oh
Anyways.
my god, bro. Hold on.
Here, man.
I gotta replace the .exe again.
I said not to worry about it. You don't have to worry about it.
No,
seriously.
Huron's a good guy. Huron's a good guy.
You don't got.
Okay.
No, don't cry. Don't cry. It's okay.
I'm not gonna cry, but I'm
about
probably
to-
gonna have to go. Like literally 6 seconds.
Man, I gotta like...
6,
But I'll be
7.
back later, probably.
Yeah, I'm about to get an action build. I'm about to get that action build.
Goodbye,
Something
guys.
Evil
annoying.
is brewing. Bye.
Debug? I gotta download debug.
Yeah, and
Because there's a lot of bugs with codename action builds. I hate it.
Everything Must Go finally released on YouTube.
Dude, I saw Everything Must Go. It's honestly kind of peak.
Yeah, it's awesome.
Man. I wish they would have shown a little more of the big pirate man, but they kind of didn't. Like they showed him for like 1 frame. Did I just spoil the freaking thing to you? Damn it!
Yeah.
No. I'm downloading all. I'm gonna move all the libs. I'm gonna take these.
Everything is Friday Night Funkin'.
Bro. I'm so mad. I'm so mad. I just want to work on the freaking mod. And then this has to happen.
Ooh.
I have to go back in time to the first Thanksgiving to get turkeys off the menu. This is so sad.
Yeah.
I'm so mad. But hey, at least it's the action build that actually worked. It's the action build that worked with our mod. I just hate what's going on right now. Like, why does my shader code suddenly not work? I don't understand that. I've never had to do this so much, bro. Actually insane.
I think Athos Redux is actually very disappointing.
No kidding, bro. Athos Redux
The
is
Sling
some
Mingo,
absolute butt.
Sling Mingo knows how to make decent to good music, and it's like, why are we doing this?
I don't like Sling songs. I don't. And it's not just because they're a pedophile, I just don't like their music.
I mean, they're not great, but like they're decent sometimes.
Sometimes, yeah.
Athos Redux.
Athos does not need a redux. Athos doesn't need anything.
Looking at the Athos Redux Chugs teaser, this is not very good.
Bro. Alright. This should be... Yes! Okay, so I got the right version now. So my TV works. And that's good. It's just every other mod that I have in here is not going to work. Which is fine. I can swap the versions later and probably just code on a debug build after compiling. I'll take care of that some other time.
At least Dia V5 was pretty good.
What are you talking about?
Dia V5.
Dia V5? What?
Dia V5.
I don't know what you're talking about.
As this guy.
Oh. Oh, the Muffin song?
Yep.
It's Muffin time! I love the Muffin Man. Do you know the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man, the Muffin Man? have my... Okay, good, it has my event. That's good. And hopefully it won't bug! It won't bug out the shaders.
3, 2, 1, nermal.
Yay, my character change worked. Let's edit my game over script a little bit, because there are some bugs with it. Yay, character change event is gone. Let's kill this one, because this one's old and nasty and disgusting and trash. There we go. Alright. Yeah, so I need to figure out how to get like the zoom variables right.
3,
It's poop time!
3, 2, 1,
Stop.
nermal.
When are you gonna get me to do UI stuff for Cyborg?
There's something. Oh no! What do
3,
you want it to
2,
look
1.
like? Because I don't know
One
what the frick column wants.
Okay, I think it
Oh, I
works.
thought-
I guess it just bugged out due to an action build rewriting the game's freaking code. Yes, bro, this game over is so peak.
Yes.
This is entirely my HX file. I wrote everything here. I wrote every damn line in here. Including cactus! Oh! Yes, save and exit. Game's bugged out! That's not supposed to happen! Scott, that's still playing your game over music?
Again?
Yes, bro.
Man.
I wonder...
Buns, get your pickle cheese, put the patty in between his
Burger.
burger. What? What?
It's burger!
What?
3, 2, 1, nermal.
Alright. I want to fix some general coding stuff. Alright. Okay, so there is something called flexmath.wrap. I want to take a look at that. And that was one of the things mentioned. Yeah, there we go. Let me see. flexmath.wrap. Min-max. Okay. That's like the easiest thing ever. The value to wrap around. Wrapping the value around, so 0 songs length -1. I'm gonna comment this out.
Three,
What am I doing? Change channel. Okay, that's a lot better. Yeah, I might just do that for every single thing. I might just use flexmath.wrap for now on. Yeah, they were right about that. By the case, if you're wondering about the 10 gigabyte accumulation for the RON mod, what? You 10 gigabytes of RAM? What? What? Whoa, that's devious. Hold on, I need to read this. Hold on. By the way, in case you were wondering about the 10 gigabyte RAM accumulation for the RON mod I was restoring, it's because I tried making the caching actually work with terrible execution. It was eventually replaced with a fake loading screen. And of course it's on Kate Engine. That's devious, bro. That's actually devious. That's so freaking evil. Son. Alright. Bro, that shit's insane. Alright. Alright. Curse selected. You gotta change the folder layout. Imagine being so asset coding that you have to make a fake loading screen.
Fake loading screen was crazy.
Bro,
People do that a lot on fucking Scratch.
bro, I
FNF
wonder if
stuff.
that was done on the Athos mod. I deleted it, but I wonder if that loading screen that I saw was a fake loading screen because they just do not know how to code. Cause like, oh my gosh, bro. How, bro? How? How are you this ass? That is like the most devious thing I've ever heard of in my life. That's really funny. Where's the pause script? There it is. Because I think pause uses the same code. Change selection. Yeah. We can kill that. Also, why is everything so spaced out, bro? I really don't like it when it's like that. Bro, or... I don't know how good this will be. But we can try. I mean, it literally just does the same thing as just this for loop. On Kden for 10 days straight, I couldn't get the RON loading screen to work because it cached in a state outside of playstate. So I actually couldn't use the character and playstate assets from it. Bro. Like I said before, that's actually devious. Why is it like so spaced out like this? Oh, it's because of this. I'm gonna put these in parentheses. So it's easier to read and easier to understand what the hell's going on. Why? Okay, why? Okay, what is 2? What is 3? Like this kind of stuff pisses me off Alright. No, I'm not writing a new function. Let's see, select option. What about, what's the options variable? So menu options.
Starman, Disney.
Case. Bro, what are the variables? Resume, restart, options, and back. I made an entire noteskin.xml file once. It took like half an hour. True. I don't like code names. I don't like code names. Note splash. System. Like that's one of the things I genuinely just don't like. Bro. No, bro. Damn. Is the variable back? Yeah, it's back. Okay. And we can kill this. Also, what's with the return? We don't need the return function at all. We can kill that.
Chimptopia got funded.
Chimptopia, bro. Okay. Okay, why is this in a switch statement? Why can't we just put this in a map? Why can't we just put this in a map? That's honestly ridiculous. So, render offset, that'll be an array float. This will also be an array float. And then array float. So, 3 array floats. Alright. And that's fine. I can do that. Wait, where's the... Is it in create? It's in create. What the hell? We can do render, load graphic, that's image, game renders plus paths image render graphic doesn't equal null. We can do that and placeholder, and that should give us what we need, unless if I messed up something in these things, but I should not have. I should not have messed that up. That's like the easiest code in the world. Why is everything so spaced out? Why did Galaxy do this? Scott, do you remember who made the pause screen? Was it Galaxy or was it Axel?
I don't know.
Bro, Chimptopia should, like, actually die.
3, 2.
No, it's the next Max Design Pro.
Oh, that kind of... Okay, I messed up the code. Alright. Because it's supposed to... Yeah, I messed up the code. I figured. Where's my for loop? Did I put... Oh, yeah. Bro.
3.
Fine.
There we go.
Very
yeah. I figured that for loop was going to be a bit iffy. Shift molt. Okay, that's just a variable. I don't freaking care. Alright. I don't like all the spacing. Like, bro, why is there spacing between the song name? Like, this is one object that we're adding. Why is there spacing?
Everything's spacing.
This works. So, what else would I need to do? There was something else I wanted to do. Like, there was something else. This, I want to turn this into a map. Because this is, like, god-awful. Alright, there we go. Render pause map. Oh, render data map. No, render data map string into render offset. Render position. And render.
Why is everything a burger? What does it mean for something to be burger?
What is render X and render Y? What is that? Oh, those are scales. Okay, I think those are scales. Render scale. Nope. Format. There we go. Abuse.
Abuse.
Render offset. That would be 500 by 150. Render position will be 850 by 350. And then render scale will be 0.8. They all seem to have the same scale, so I might just make this like a single float. Instead of an array. One time I made... Okay, Ron v3 is probably never getting a fully restored version. I already got the compile tools that were different from the base engine and rewritten completely. Wild. And I have a full on menu before title state to switch between sprites, music, and menus because there are different versions of all of those. That's cool. I remember wanting to do something like that for old nermal v2 to like have an option where it's kind of like the Gorefield language selector screen, but instead it's like toggle drawn sprites or toggle PNG sprites, because we were kind of gonna do both. But that never happened. So yeah, nermal v2 freaking died.
Yeah, it died.
Yeah, render offset.
What about 2024 nermallin?
Bro, that's like devil nermalin.
I mean,
Scrubs is like the most evil person ever. I can't say exactly what they did because I'm live, but they're not good. They're not a good person.
no, but like week 3 was gonna have Pookie, Whore, and Lyman.
Yeah. I don't know why we were doing that. That was awful. V2 and 2026 are different. So we were going to do a V2 for like old normal. It was gonna be big. I can't say 2024 Normalin was like kind of like a semi-revival with like a new director. This director was freaking awful. And they're an awful person, so we don't talk about that. Plus the plans that were gonna be were added were kind of dumb. Like they wanted to do a song where it was normal against the Gadagadi Gadagado, the chicken nugget.
No, that was my idea. It was good. It was good.
Oh, that was your idea?
Yeah.
Bro, why did they accept that?
But actually, I think it was either my idea or Godatu's.
Oh.
I don't remember.
Oh.
But
I thought that would have been something like Scrub's idea. But no, oh well. They did not know what they were doing when directing. Render position.
Germal.
Was that the song name?
Yeah, but I wanted it to be called
You've got-
Gadaga Nermal.
You've got to be kidding me. It was called Germal.
Okay, no, it was Goratu. It was Goratu.
Good. What?
Yeah, Goratu, the big G, bro.
Okay. Let me take this map. And we are going to replace this god-awful code. Render. Oh, hold on. There, our data equals render data play state instance per song. Set our data dot render offset 0, our data render offset 1.
Yeah, and we were gonna have the nermal license.
What?
I don't know, dude. Scrubs wanted to release the OST on streaming service.
Bro, they did not. Scrubs did not know what they were doing.
It's good.
All right.
And my gay mix of nermal.
Let me see. I might do a null checker. I'm gonna do null. Default. What were the things? Render scale. Render. And then we can.
Old abuse gay.
All right, so do. If render data exists okay, I could literally just take that. What? Okay. Whatever you're doing. Alright. I rewrote the rendering system. Well, no, not the
3.
rendering. Yeah, expectives. Which is hilarious
If they
because I
make
literally
another
have
shucks.
Bro, what do you freaking mean?
If they make another shucks, bro, I can't handle anymore.
Bro, Shucks has to die.
I can't handle anymore.
No, what am I doing?
Yes. Yeah. So. Uber.
Ooh, actually, hold on. I might do something else. Song name.
3,
Expected again? What do you mean? Bro. Did I do something wrong here? There's no way. Default. That's literally just part of the map. What do you mean? Do I gotta... Okay, I gotta trace.
three,
Never mind. Freaking map is bugged. Inner offset. Uh,
3, 2, 1, nermal.
Bro, are you kidding me? Again, bro. 17 expected.
Back.
What is wrong with this thing? If I cancel that out.
Three,
Bro, how? I literally did nothing to this, and now it's going ham. I might just... If I just make it like a single variable without giving it any
3,
properties. That works. And I forgot the data values. $200, 0, 0. Oh. Kill that.
three, two, one, nermal.
Good. Good. I just had to get rid of the map stuff because it was being buggy. Stupid H script.
Three, two, one, nermal.
Yay. Alright. Map's done. Okay. This is fine. Okay, I think everything else fine. I think it's literally just that switch statement just pissed me off. We can kill the watch command. We don't need that. Big Pank, which can sometimes swap between community game. Yeah, I'm getting rid of this stupid enter thing. Bro. on. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 10 times. Cool. Alright, cool. And since we don't need that character change script anymore, we can kill that and get rid of the /enter. Alright. Resetting old notes. Let's go to the options menu. Let's change this up a little bit. I might put this in a for loop. But I don't know. I might just keep it like this. It's friggin' stupid, but whatever. Presetting. This is good. I could look, you just make it a Funkin' sprite and make it like a lot better, honestly. Scott, you back?
Yeah.
That's so tough.
What?
So that cut line. I'm gonna keep that there because I like debugging. Bro, this is like this stupid HX file is like my second home to me. I'm like in here all the time. And then there's my little thank you note. Is there anything I gotta check on the stage files? Nope. Wait. No. You could add, I'm pretty sure you can add animations in those things. I think I remember doing that for George Washington. Low-key, the only reason I ever come to this mod is just to check the source code. Okay, so no animation. XML. Nope, it's just a whole bunch of XML stuff. Is there an animation? Oh wait, yeah, there is an animation. Explosion. Cool. So you can do anims. That's cool. Alright. Let's see. Kitchen.xml and kitchen.hx as a bonus. Where's the pot assets? Alright, so end with sprite. And this will allow us to make anims. No.
Today we'll be talking about the crossover intersection between environmentalism, social justice, and education,
What are you talking about?
in combination with raising awareness, leveraging your platform and influence, and
Bro.
being a sustainable future.
Bro's talking about some BS.
I love that video.
So we don't need, so FPS would just be default, it would probably just be 24. Yeah, I don't care about no FPS variable.
Bump.
Alright, and then there's the door. No! There we go. Format. Whoa, yeah, formatting the document made it very messy. But, alright. And then, nope. And name equal open door, no. And door FPS 24 forced or force false. Oh, forced. Because this is usually forced. And since we got them in, we can comment. We can comment all this out. Oh, we can. I want to see if this little change works. Wait, no. That's not kitchen abuse.
Kitchen abuse.
Oh.
They're inventing new abuse now.
Okay, kitchen abuse has. Okay, why is there two separate stage files? Oh, it's because of the smoke and whatnot. All right, cool. That's fine with me, honestly. I guess we're checking nermal then.
3, 2, 1, nermal.
Alright, I think I can start editing kitchen abuse now. Alright. And with sprite nm name title nm. Sludge fallen. I forgot how you round sludge. And there's the door. Angosos. Yes, bro. True. Hashtag true. Alright, so name would be open. And We smoke. And with Sprite. And then let's see. No, that's not far in enough.
3,
Give me back. There. This is good.
3, 2, 1, nermal.
Yeah, no, it didn't work. Why is the... Wait. Take me back to abuse. I think loop needs to be true. I think loop needs to be true.
3, 2, 1, nermal.
Yeah, I don't know why it's not doing that. It's oh, I forgot to comment it out. What did I do in Washington?
Three, two, one.
Fortnite Mexicans.
What?
Fortnite Mexicans.
What about Mexicans? Bro?
If you're short, they put you in a mech.
I know how Fortnite works, bro.
It's unfortunate, man.
I have the correct animation name in there. I don't know what's going on.
I don't know.
Weird.
I have not played Fortnite in a while. I'm sorry.
Yeah, you guys miss another new Fortnite season? No, I freaking hate it. I actually don't like it. Oh my gosh, 7 viewers! Yay! 7 viewers, let's freaking go! And it's not freaking playing. Yeah, I'm just not gonna do this part. And just put that slash back and freaking add everything. I don't know why it's not working.
3, 2, 1, nermal.
Yeah, there we go. No! Yeah, whatever, I freaking suck. I freaking suck at this. Alright. Yeah, I might just... Yeah, I think... I might just... whatever. I'm gonna keep the comments. In case we need to add them again. Alright. So... Could fix some of the stuff here. I'm gonna see. Okay, why are we doing... Oh, color to saturation. Color to brightness. I'm gonna take a look at these events. We could do color dot contrast equal color dot saturation equal color dot brightness. And yeah, that's good. Because it'll literally just equal itself over and over and over again, because these are probably like different fluorescent values, which will be the same. Let's see. You know, we could probably make these into like events. It would be really cool because you could use them everywhere. Okay, this doesn't even freaking exist. Yeah, you're... Oh yeah, the kitchen stars. Those are so freaking cool. Bro, exactly like the same thing as before. We could just do the exact same. Bam, right there. And I wonder if Abuse has the exact same things. Let's see. Yeah. And format document. This doesn't exist. And there's my code. Honestly, kind of messy, but I think it's fine. It's whatever. Make walk. Yeah, true, true. Add shadow lasagna. This is good. This is good. The lasagna goons. Wait, Scop. I love this, like, I love this animation name. Lasagna goons.
Lasagna goons.
They're gooning.
Lasagna goons. Yep, they're goons.
What the hell am I doing, bro? All right. This doesn't even freaking exist.
Is Rick and Morty hype again? I'm starting to get scared.
What do you mean?
I've been seeing a lot. I've been seeing Rick and Morty stuff. Not a lot, not like I just said, but I've been seeing Rick and Morty stuff on the timeline. That's scaring me.
Very. True.
Jeez.
Use sprite scale. What the hell is this? What the hell? On post countdown. Oh, wait. Okay, that's the countdown stuff, and it like moves the sprite over and over again. This is a lot easier for me to read, so I'm just gonna do this. Yeah, we don't even need to put like brackets for those. Oh, yeah, we need the brackets. We don't need to, and we don't need to add more lines to our already existing code. Okay, these are all like 0.3. Whatever. This is fine. This script is so cool. I want this so bad. Okay, and then we just use our... Okay, this I could literally just move into something like song and no. Yeah, whatever, I'll just keep it here. It's my HX file. Okay. I'm gonna kill that. Function. Okay, let's add the frame rate instance visible. Yeah, that frame rate doesn't. The frame rate thing doesn't work, so we gotta do these instead. True. It's a bit of squiggle code, but it's whatever we need it to test. So if I move over here, it should give me back... No, never mind, it didn't do anything. Oh, I know why. I know why. It's because I need to reload the thing. So now... it should work. There we go. There we go. 114 views. Oh boy. Let's freaking go, chat.
Yeah, guys.
We're not... it's not currently the amount of people in my chat. It's like how many total views.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's so cool. I honestly... let's check lasagna.hx. I've been in here too many times to count. I think we're fine. Yeah, we're fine. Alright. I think this is gonna do it for me. I did a lot of coding. Most of it was just figuring out stupid codename action builds because it's really annoying. Alright.
Alright, guys.
Let me just push this to the GitHub. Alright, gang-a-lang. Adios! Adios, nuclear reactor!
Bye, guys.